Office broker. An office broker is a more general term for a serviced office broker. The office broker company/individual arranges transactions between a company or individual interested in renting office space and a business center/office space owner. Office brokers help business center owners to advertise office space. The office broker then makes a commission when the deal is made. An office broker develops relationships with property management firms and business center owners and negotiates favorable prices on behalf of clients. The purpose of an office broker is to provide a single point of contact in which clients can access the entire office space market globally or regionally. An office broker will commonly advertise both office space and serviced office space. To fulfill the goal of finding clients to rent serviced office space, a serviced office broker will often do the following.